Are you ready to take the MongoDB Database Administrator exam? Prepare for the MongoDB Database Administrator exam. Jump into the world of NoSQL databases and test yourself by answering over 250 questions. This course is in the form of practice tests and consists of questions that may appear during the MongoDB Database Administrator exam. Some questions are self-explanatory, when necessary explanations are added to the questions. This course allows you to confirm your proficiency and give you the confidence you need to earn a MongoDB Database Administrator certification. Each test has a time limit. The required score for each practice test is 80% correct answers. After completing the test, your final result will be published, where you can review all submitted responses and explanations. You can take each practical test multiple times. In order to reflect the form of an exam as much as possible, the questions are single and multiple choice. I strongly encourage you to repeat these exams until you consistently achieve a score of 90% or higher on each exam. Don't hesitate and take the challenge today. Thank you for your attention and good luck.